Roshan. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and join the tribe. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 oils that help with hair growth, that will stimulate your growth, whether it be you suffering from bald edges or your hair just not growing at all, alopecia, or whether you just need that oil that's going to give you that push, that boost. I am here for you. I'm going to list 5. I'm going to count them down, so make sure you stay till the end to watch which one is my favorite oil that I rave the most about. Okay, number 5 is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a great oil. It is very light oil. If you don't like oils that feel greasy on your hair, it is a really good oil. It helps with dandruff, psoriasis, any scalp issues that you may be suffering with. Yeah, it really helps to eliminate those problems, especially dandruff. Grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidants, emollients, and nutrients that help with hair growth. Okay, so if you're looking for oil that will help stimulate your hair growth and is also not greasy at the same time, then definitely try out some grapeseed oil on your scalp. You will thank me later. Number 4 on the list is argan oil. Argan oil goes through minimum processing, which means that not a lot of heat is used to process the oil, so therefore all the nutrients are preserved within the oil. Therefore you can reap the most benefits out of this oil. And argan oil is good for stimulating hair growth. It is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which helps in replenishing and restoring your nutrients in the hair. This oil is especially great for people who have frizzy to dry hair. If your hair is always frizzying, then try some argan oil. Use some argan oil on your hair before you blow dry, before you do any styling. A lot of people rave about argan oil. Argan oil is really good. That's another oil that's just in between, not too thick, not too light. It's just in between. If you don't mind, and you know, a little bit of thickness in there, then it's definitely your oil. Try out this oil and see how it works for you. Number 3 on the list is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great as an essential oil. It's very potent and it helps to stimulate hair growth, especially for your edges, and just to give you that minty, refreshing feeling to the scalp when you use it. It gives you that cooling effect on your scalp. Tea tree oil is an antibacterial oil and also a microbial oil, which helps in unclogging your hair follicles and nourishing it from the roots. So try adding tea tree oil to a mixture of oils that you already have. So use base oils and then add a little bit of tea tree oil. It should help boost your hair growth. It should help in stimulating your follicles, because you know, sometimes we can have follicles that are laying dormant and they're not really responding to anything that we're doing to our hair. Because sometimes you feel like you reached that point where your hair is literally just not moving. You feel like you've reached a plateau. So adding things like tea tree oil to your oils can really help to boost that growth that you're looking for. And also obviously just using these oils doesn't mean like your hair is just gonna grow. It also depends on how you are treating your hair, how you're managing, what's your routine, what's your regimen. Like all those things come to play, you know, together. So you can't just be applying oils to your hair and just expect it to just like your hair to pop off. You actually need to be incorporating other good habits within your hair regimen. So coming up at number 2 is brownie. Okay, so I know most of you probably know, and most of you maybe don't know what brownie is. Yeah, brownie is found in the Ayurvedic hair oil system. Okay, so if you've ever heard of Ayurvedic treatments, all that jazz, if you're a naturalista, you probably have heard of it, but I try not to assume that everybody knows what it is. But it's usually found in the Indian hair regimen. Brahmi oil is one of the oils that rejuvenates your hair follicles and helps in strengthening the hair from the root. So massaging Brahmi oil promotes hair growth. It also has this cooling effect on the scalp, a little bit like tea tree oil. Brahmi oil has that same effect, also, you know, rejuvenating rejuvenating those follicles that are laying dormant. We need to like give them a little bit of a push to wake them up a little bit. So brownie oil does that for you. You can actually make your own DIY brownie oil. I've actually done some DIY videos on my channel. If you want to check them out, I will link up in the iCards and in the description box below for you to check out all my Ayurveda DIY oils and or just all the other oils in my hair growth series that you can watch and have a look. Brownie oil, definitely check it out. If you've never tried it before, make sure you incorporate it into your regimen, into your DIYs. Make sure you are using it if you're looking to boost that hair growth on your journey. Okay, so that's number 2 on the list. I personally do really love the Ayurveda system, the hair care regimen of the Ayurveda. Coming up at number 1, one of my favorites, is castor oil. I'm pretty sure most of you saw this coming. Let me know in the comment section below if you saw this coming, and if you didn't, then oh well, at least you know it's castor oil. So castor oil is one of my favorite oil. I rave about it on my channel so many times. I have created multiple videos about castor oil, how to use castor oil, so definitely do check out those videos again. So I'm plugging you in just so that in case you're wondering or asking questions about it, I have the video. But anyway, let's talk about castor oil a little bit on here. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants and ricinoleic acid. Okay, so ricinoleic acid and antioxidants, they have circulating boosting properties. So obviously we always talk about having blood flow to the head, and castor oil has the properties to help in circulating the blood flow to the hair, therefore increasing in hair growth. So the same acid, ricinoleic acid, also enhances the rejuvenation of the hair follicles. Yet again, all these oils, it's about rejuvenating hair follicles, bringing them back to life. So castor oil does have those properties, and in case you have follicles that are laying dormant, castor oil will definitely wake them up. Yeah, so ricinoleic acid enhances hair growth by rejuvenating the hair follicles, and obviously that in turn in boosting your hair growth, or should I say our hair growth, because I use castor oil. You should be using castor oil. Everybody should be using castor oil. Castor oil is a really great oil. It has a lot of properties, a lot of benefits in it. It's a very thick oil, and it also depends, because I get a lot of questions on this. You guys let me know if I should do another video really explaining, really diving deep. In today's video I wasn't really diving deep into the properties of the product, but just to give you a quick guide as to what oils to pick up in case you're looking for an oil to use in your DIY hair oils, and what oils you want to use for your scalp. So yeah, this is what the video is about, but I can definitely do dedicated videos for each and every oil that I've spoken about. You guys let me know in the comment section below. I feel like I have done a video about castor oil, but that was some years back, so I feel like I need to do an updated version of the castor oil so that we can like really dive deep into it and really dissect it and get into it. And so that's just what I want to do. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, like I said, I have done multiple videos about castor oil, so if you guys are interested, definitely check out the description box below and the iCards if anybody ever clicks on the iCards. But this description box, you have a direct link to take you there, even in the iCards, or at the end of this video I will link some videos, then you can click on them and watch, or just watch the playlist. It's totally up to you. Do let me know if you are going to try out any of these oils in your regimen, or if you already have the oils. What's your favorite? Did I mention one of your favorite oils, or did I mention any oils in particular that you've always wanted to try out? Let me know in the comment section below. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and as always, live your best natural, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.